Hey guys, good morning. It's a new day. So I'm starting the day with a client photo shoot. One of my clients has a photo shoot today, so we're gonna go to the studio. We have a model, we have a photographer, we have props, everything is ready. I just need to go down there, assist with the photo shoot, and I also need to capture some content that we can use later on the page. So yeah, come with me. I'm gonna vlog as much as possible, but it's gonna be very difficult because I'm capturing content for my client. So I'm gonna capture as much as I can, and yeah, come with me, let's go. And then when I'm back home, I will update you guys some more. Hey guys, little update. I'm just posting stories on yesterday's facial, and I ordered some food because I haven't had anything to eat. Well, I'm lying, I did eat at the photo shoot, but they were just like snacks and stuff. So I ordered vegetable gyoza because I'm trying to eat vegetarian. And then I also got the spring rolls I ordered from Eat Fuchsia. Their food is so freaking good. Like, so yeah, these are the spring rolls. They are amazing. They're vegetable spring rolls. Like I said, I'm eating vegetarian, so I'm gonna eat these. I'm working from bed just because I want to. And I have like my to-do list here to send my client the content from today that I captured, and I was basically going over the email that they sent me so I can make sure that I posted the right information about the facial. Honestly, one of the best facials I've had, which is why I wanted to talk about it and recommend it to you guys. And if you choose to go, there's like this is my code. You can use this promo code and you'll get a gift if you book for the signature facial. So yeah. Also, I'm updating my clients' Insta stories of the content that we shot today. Just like a little BTS stuff of these are the interns. This is one of the interns that helped us today at the shoot. So I'm gonna upload a couple more stories, and then I'm gonna dig in, eat my food, and watch, of course, what else? Love Island. I'm addicted to this shit. It's not even funny. So I'm gonna watch Love Island, eat my food, update stories, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a second. And then I also want to start editing vlogs. I started last night a little bit, but I couldn't finish, so I'm gonna edit this vlog, which is the vlog about cleaning my room and everything. So yeah, if you guys don't know, I'm posting 3 videos a week. If you want to catch up on my content, you can, and subscribe and all that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna eat my food and I'm gonna update you guys in a bit.
Are back, and there's a huge change to the villa. We've got a new brand. Oh, it is? Yeah, what the? Hi,
guys! So I just finished editing this vlog. It is saving right now, and I am slowly losing my mind. No lie, I'm slowly losing my mind. This is crazy. So I'm just gonna, like, while it's uploading or saving or rendering or whatever the heck it does, because I have another whole ass vlog to edit. While it does that, I'm just gonna watch like a little bit of Patricia Bright. She's such a funny YouTuber, so I'm gonna watch her for a bit so my spirits can be lifted.
Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well.
I'm not gonna lie, this editing life is rough sometimes. Like, some days I'm like, I want to kill myself. But it's very rewarding to like see the final product, and then to see you guys comment and to see you guys interacting with what I'm posting. Like, that's so rewarding for me that I'm willing to put up with it. And this is not all the time. Like, sometimes I love, you know, banging out vlogs. Like, I feel so good, but then some days I'm kind of like, oh my god, Dee, stop talking, no one gives a fuck. But then that's just me getting in my head and overthinking things. It has nothing to do with who I am. It has everything to do with who I am, but it's literally just like me getting in my head. And I am so thirsty. I need to drink some water. My throat is getting dry. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. I'm just gonna continue vlogging. I'm gonna continue editing tonight and uploading like the 2 vlogs that I have left. today is Monday, so I have to have a vlog up tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and then I also need to have a vlog up on Thursday. So that's 2 vlogs that I need to have ready for uploads. So yeah, I'm gonna just not think about it, finish editing it so it's out of the way, because this week like I'm gonna focus on client work, because I have to like set up things for my clients. You know, end of the month, beginning of the month is always like hectic for me when it comes to like client work and stuff. And yeah, so that's the update. I'm gonna leave you guys for tonight, but I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and we're gonna vlog some more, another work day. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good morning, you guys. Catching up on some YouTube vlogs, and I need to shower right now, so I just wanted to like light some candles for when I'm in the shower so my room smells good. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. Candles lit. I like to light candles in my room when I'm in the shower. That way when I come back, my room smells really, really good. So yeah, I'm gonna go shower, and then I'm gonna come back and sit here and get ready for you guys. So these are the makeup products that I used today. I started with the Laura Mercier Radiance Primer, and then I used these matchsticks from Fenty Beauty. This one is suede, and I put it all over my face as a foundation, and then I used cinnamon as a highlight, and then I powdered using my NYX Mineral Powder. And then for blush, I used this one from MAC. It is in the shade Peach Twist, and it's the only blush that I use. And then I put a little bit of this on my eyelids, and then I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Then I took this pencil from MAC, and it's in the shade Coffee, and I put it in my waterline. Then I set everything with the Primer Plus from Bobbi Brown. And then on my lips, I used the Sephora lipstick in this shade, and it's this beautiful orangey shade. Let me read the label and tell you guys what shade it is. I don't know what shade it is, but literally this is the number of the lipstick, but it's so pretty. And this is what the makeup looks like on. So yeah, I'm gonna do an IGTV tutorial showing you guys how I actually apply the makeup, but I just wanted to show you guys here real quick, so you guys can get an idea. I'm gonna show you my outfit right now. My hair is like in a half up, half down type of situation, and right now I want to show you guys my outfit. So this is the fit for today. I'm wearing this sweater top from Missguided, but it's super light and it's good for the summer. I'm wearing this denim jacket that I got from Missguided as well. Everything that I own is from Missguided. And then for my shoes, I'm wearing my Air Forces. And yeah, I just got rings, hair up, half down type of stitch, and it's looking cute. And yeah, that's that. I need to head out. This is the bag that I'm taking, just my work bag. I have all my stuff in it. And yeah, let's head out. You guys, so I'm at D3, just got here. I have to quickly stop by the Code to pick up some stuff, so come with me. So this is the Code's showroom. Shelly's hiding somewhere in the back because she doesn't want anyone to vlog. But I'm just gonna go around. Can I film the mango? Where's the mango?
It's here, it doesn't look this one.
Oh, okay. I'll just do like a quick So this is the mango rail. I'm gonna go through it and see what I can find.
So do you think that this is okay?
No, it's not okay. Get out. You're fired.
Out of nowhere, no one.
You are fired.
No, it's not okay. Well,
guys, so these are my clients' interns. They're so cute, and they bring so much joy to the showroom.
That's so sweet.
I love having you guys around. I'm gonna vlog now, so feel free to like whatever you say will incriminate you. So
whoa.
Yeah, I'm not cutting anything out. Anyways, so just a little update. I got some stuff from the Code. I'm gonna show you guys these later. I have packages, and then I ordered lunch. This is grilled cheese, fries, and then I got sweet lemon tea. Okay, back to work. Hey guys, update. I'm sipping on my tea because I'm trying to only have one coffee a day, and I already had coffee this morning with my breakfast. And I'm also editing my client's little teaser videos for her new collection. And yeah, I'm just gonna be editing videos all day today. So I'm gonna be editing these videos all day today for her because we need to post them ASAP, as in like over the weekend, I think. And then after that, yeah, I'm just gonna go home and basically relax. But I'm trying to get as much content and as much work done today as I possibly can. I want to show you the samples that I got from Mango. So basically, the code do PR for Mango. I mean, Mango is one of their clients, and anytime that they have samples that they can gift, they hit me up, and I basically go because, you know, these samples I can shoot them on my Instagram, I can wear them around, you know, it's whatever. So I want to show you like the pieces that I got because they were so generous with me today and they gave me so many pieces and they're so cute. So I'm going to show you guys quickly, and I also want to shoot some of them because they're so cute. I went for like a more neutral and white palette, and then I think I picked one colorful thing. Let me quickly show you. So these are the pieces that I got. So for example, this is a trench. I think these are, I forgot what these were. I think this is a top, and these are the pants that go with it. And then this is a dress. Oh, this dress is so cute. This is a play suit. This is a set, like a top and a skirt. This is a dress. Oh, this dress is so cute too. I think this is a jumpsuit. No, these are pants. No, this is a skirt, sorry. This is a skirt, and this is the one orange top that I got. And I was also sent a gift from On Mode Fashion. So they are the distributors for Key Australia, and they sent me a pair of sunglasses. I'm not sure which ones they sent because I was very late picking my style, so they just sent me whatever they had left. Oh, they sent me these. These are cute. They're so nice. Ah, oh, such a vibe. And then I also got a package from Tarte. I think this is the Ego mascara, but let me open it for you guys. So yeah, as I predicted, it is the Ego mascara. I'm so sad anytime I get gifted mascaras because I barely use them. So because I wear lash extensions, I can't use mascaras unless my lash extensions are like falling out and I have like few left. Then I can add mascara just to like pump up the volume a little bit, but I usually don't really need to. This is what the glasses look like. They are such a vibe. Oh my god. And then the last package that I got is from Beauty, and they basically sent me, I think this is a charcoal, their charcoal line. So they sent me their charcoal line. They sent me the deep pore charcoal cleanser. I was about to say conditioner. And then they also sent me the deep cleansing charcoal pore strips. Hey guys, so I just left D3. I am on my way back home because I was supposed to have dinner with Daniel, but he canceled on me. So I don't have a reason to stay in D3 anymore. I picked up my stuff and now I am headed home. I'm gonna try to do like a quick little haul for you guys to show you the stuff that I got from Mango. But mainly I'm just gonna be like working on some client work. And I also picked up Spanish latte from Home Bakery. I was slightly irritated that they don't have a coconut milk alternative to the Spanish latte. So they do have coconut milk and milk alternatives, but they can't have coconut milk in the Spanish latte because the mix already comes with cow milk, which is irritating. So I was kind of like, fine. But they said that they do have coconut latte. So next time I'm going to try the coconut latte and see if it's as good as this one. So that's a little update for you guys. The sun is literally infiltrating my shot. So I'm going to go. And I'm home, and I quickly wanted to show you guys the things that I got from Mango. So the first thing is this trench coat. I love the sleeve detail, like that's really sick. So this is what it looks like, and it's super long. And then the next piece is this top. It looks like a vest, but then it buttons so you can wear it as a top. I think this will look really, really cute with like my short denim skirt. And then this sleeveless turtleneck that's orange and bright and beautiful. these pants, which don't fit me. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. But they really don't fit me. I need to figure this out. I might get them tailored because I really love how they look. But yeah, we'll see what we're gonna do about this. This is a skirt, so beautiful on, and it has like 2 big pockets, and it has this thing so I can like basically tie it up kind of like paper bag style around my waist, and it looks so good and summery. I think this would be cute with like a tank top, like a black crop tank top. This set is everything. So this is like a knit set, and it looks so nice and summery. It reminds me of something that Jacquemus would design. And then look at the skirt, like the skirt part is like a fringe. Oh, so pretty. And then this play suit that's also very, very beautiful on. And the best part about it is that it's long enough, like it's not slutty. I have like play suits that like don't cover my ass, but this covers and it goes down to my thigh, and it looks really good and like proper on. Like it's a good daytime play suit, and I'm really excited to wear it. This dress is such a cute dress. It's like a picnic dress. So it has buttons down. It's like a midi dress. It has buttons down, and then from the back it's like crisscross, which is like the cutest part. It's like crisscross from the back, which is so cute. And then this white dress, oh, it's so nice and dreamy. I think this would be so cute for like an event or something where I need to like dress up. So I'm thinking like this dress with like a cute little tight bun, or like a ponytail with like, I don't know, like a white heels or something, with like my nude heels or something. So yeah, these are all the pieces that I got. I'm gonna hang them up there, and yeah. Okay, so I just hung up everything. Wait, why is it doing that? It's like so annoying. Okay, let's, okay, spread them out and stuff. Okay, so I hung up everything, so everything is nice and hung up. Who's calling me? Hey guys, update. I'm still sat at my desk. It's right now, look at the way I'm sitting. Right now it's like 20:56, which is like almost 9 p.m. And this entire time I've been on my phone and Instagram and YouTube, just not working. And that's annoying as fuck and irritating as fuck. Sorry, I'm cussing. It's irritating and it's annoying that I got so distracted by social media that it's 9 o'clock. So I just turned off my Wi-Fi on both my phones, and I'm gonna go back to editing and finishing this work that I have to submit literally tomorrow. Just wanted to update you guys on how unproductive, how unproductive I have been. And also I dropped a new vlog, so not that unproductive. I dropped a new vlog. I finished editing one teaser and I need to edit another video. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down, finish editing, and then after I'm done editing, I need to do my skincare, take this hair out. Or should I go do my skincare and take my hair out right now, get in bed and finish editing this video? I think that's a better idea. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that instead. I think that sounds like a better idea. So I'm gonna do that, but that's the vlog for today. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys' support. Like, I see your comments, I see the love on my Instagram, I see the love on my YouTube videos, and I am forever grateful and thankful. If you are entertained by my videos and you like them, please make sure to subscribe. If you can follow me on Instagram, I would appreciate that very much. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Let me put my foot down for the outro. Okay. Bye. Do you like what my shirt says? It says love. That's how much I love you guys. Aww. Okay, bye.